Welcome to the Essential Guide to Power Drill Selection. We'll walk through the 4 key steps to choosing the perfect tool for your project. Remember this critical rule: the task dictates the tool. Understanding your project's needs is the first step in making the right choice. Step 1 is to match the drill type to your task and the material you'll be working with. Materials range from wood and metal to brick and concrete. Here is a quick overview of drill types and their applications. Note which drills are suited for wood, metal, light masonry, heavy concrete, and driving long screws. The drill driver is ideal for wood and metal. The combi drill adds a hammer function for light masonry like brick. For heavy concrete, you'll need an SDS drill. If your main task is high-torque screw driving, the impact driver is the tool to choose. Step 2 is choosing your power source, corded versus cordless. You need to match power to mobility. Cordless drills provide mobility with lithium-ion batteries. Corded drills offer continuous power, often required for heavy-duty tasks like masonry. Step 3 involves understanding the key technical features of the power drill. Key components include the chuck for holding the bit, the clutch for controlling torque, and the variable speed trigger. Low speed is best for driving screws, while high speed is for drilling holes. Brushless motors are more efficient, running cooler and lasting longer than brushed motors. Step 4 focuses on ergonomics and any extra features that enhance safety and ease of use. Look for good balance to reduce fatigue, built-in LEDs for dark areas, and side handles to prevent kickback during heavy tasks. By following this framework, task, material, drill type, power, and features, you can systematically select the right power drill. Armed with this guide, you can now select your drill with confidence.